Hello students, today we are going to understand the difference between the adjective and adverbs in the sentences. Now adjective are the words which describes the noun or the pronoun in the sentence to make the sentence more clear. Adverbs are the words which describes verbs in the sentence, adjectives in the sentence and other adverbs in the sentence. So you have to be very careful while finding out the adjective finding out whether the word is adjective or adverb according to their usage. Means adjective will qualify the noun or the pronoun in the sentence and adverb will qualify the verb, adjective or adverb in the sentence. You have to be very clear in understanding what the word is qualifying. Now next, let's understand how to identify the adjectives in the sentences. In these examples, we are going to find out how the adjective qualify the noun. He likes classical music. Now, music is the noun in the sentence. Now, what kind of music does he like? He likes classical. So, classical is the adjective which is giving more information about the noun music. They had an excellent idea. Now, idea is the noun in the sentence and excellent is the word which is giving more information about the noun idea. Both of them are good students. Students is the noun in the sentence and good is giving more information of the students, so it is an adjective in this sentence. Now, adjective with pronouns mean in the sentence there is a pronoun and there is another word which is adjective giving more information about the pronoun. She is very intelligent. Now intelligent is giving more information about she, which is pronoun in the sentence. That's wrong. Now what's wrong? That is the pronoun in the sentence and wrong is giving more information about that pronoun. They are old. How are they? They are old. It is giving more information about they, which is a pronoun. Now adjective, it's not necessary that in only one sentence there is only one adjective. There may be many noun and qualifying them there may be many adjectives in the sentence. She wrote an impressive essay on national identity. Now essay and identity are the nouns in the sentence and impressive and national is the adjective qualifying these two nouns. The room was small but clean and tidy. The room is the noun in the sentence and here we have three adjectives qualifying this noun. It is small, clean and tidy. So it's not necessary that you will find only one adjective in a sentence. There may be many adjectives qualifying two nouns or qualifying even one noun having many adjectives. Now coming to adverb, as I have explained earlier, adverbs qualify verb, adjective and other adverbs in the sentence. Now here adverb is qualifying the verbs in the sentence. He sang softly. How did he sing? Softly. So adverb in the sentence is softly. They live together. How do they live? Together. So live is the verb in the sentence and together is adverb. They moved slowly towards the exit. Now, moved is the verb in the sentence and how did they move? Slowly. That is the adverb in the sentence. Now, adverb qualifying adjectives. There may be adjectives in the sentence and there may be adverb which is qualifying the adjective. Now, see the example. She is very intelligent. Now, intelligent is the adjective in the sentence and very is giving how much intelligent she is. So, very is the adverb in the sentence. You are quite right. Now, right is the adjective in the sentence and quite is giving more information about this adjective. So, here quite is the adverb. Now, next coming to adverb giving more information about adverb only. This is a very rare use in English, but still there are sentences where you can find adverb qualifying adverb itself. That student nearly always comes late to his class or comes to his class late. Now always is already there in the sentence. There is another word nearly which is also doing the work of adverb qualifying the word always which is an adverb. So here nearly is another adverb qualifying the adverb always. Your argument is really rather simple. Now rather is an adverb in the sentence, and really is another adverb which is qualifying this adverb in this sentence. He has to leave very soon. Now soon is already an adverb in the sentence, and very is another adverb which is qualifying this adverb in the sentence. Now here is you can find few sentences where the same word is used as an adjective and adverb respectively. He is a beautiful singer. He sings beautifully. Now beautiful here is an adjective, but beautifully is an adverb. She is a quick runner. She runs. She can run very quickly. Now here quick is an adjective and quickly is an adverb. He is a careless writer. He writes carelessly. Now careless is an adjective, but carelessly, how the work is done, is an adverb. She is a good worker. She works well. Now here good is an adjective and well is an adverb. Hope you will be able to find the difference between the adjective and adverb in the sentence. Thank you very much.